When do we start?
Right now.
What are we driving?
Don't even think about that.
What's going on YouTube? In today's video, I'll just be going over a quick update on the Silverado right here. So if you want to check that out, make sure you stay tuned and let's get to it. All right, what's going on, guys? So I had somebody under the comments, you know, they wanted a follow-up video on the dual intake setup that I did on this truck a while back. So that's what I'll be showing you guys today. And other than that, you know, if you're new to the channel, let me know down below, and also welcome. So let's check it out. All right, guys, so this is my 2000 Silverado right here, and this truck actually is the one that I actually kind of started doing the videos on YouTube, you know, even though, you know, I still have to do a lot of stuff to it. But, you know, it just looks like a basic truck, but she does have a lot of stuff in here. I just still got to complete it, but, you know, I'm going to show you guys later on whenever I start working on her more. So I'll go ahead and show you under the hood real quick. And even though the truck looks pretty basic right now, she actually has a lot of stuff, you know, installed in her, and there's a lot of hidden features on here. But
what is this?
I've had a few optional extras installed.
you know, maybe I'll do some more updates on that later on if, you know, if you guys wanted to check that out. But let's go ahead and check out on the hood. So
Just pop the hood.
and she's still a work in progress, so that's why, you know, she looks like this right now. But, you know, I just have like a paper on here for now, but, you know, she's different right here.
Whoa, nice headers.
So here's the intake setup right here. It's just a dual intake setup, so it splits off to like two, kind of like the old Corvette style. And, you know, I got this one off Amazon, but I'll also have the link down below in the description. And this actually worked out really good. You know, it has not given me no problems or anything like that. And I kept it how it came in the package, so with the red air filters. And I also had before some Edelbrock ones, but I put them on the garage, and because at that time I didn't have the hood on this truck. So but they both fit really good, and it gave me no problems. And so it looks really good. I mean, I like the way it looks, you know, compared to the intake by itself right here, or just small in the middle. And it's just on a 5.3, and the intake manifold is on a 07 and up, so that's why the cover looks different and all that. And, you know, I got to do more work right here, like closing the fenders and all that. But the truck is bagged, so that's why I have to cut those, because whenever I put bigger wheels, you know, that way they go all the way up. But that's pretty much the intake right there that they were asking about. But yeah, this intake is a good intake, you know, I would recommend it. It's giving me no problems, you know, I use it daily, and, you know, I like it. I haven't touched it at all ever since I installed it. You know, it's been here like this, and all I did was, you know, put this little filter right here, because it had like an opening, and I don't have anything else that connects, so I put a breather valve right here. And then just my airflow sensor right here is the same, so it's just a stock one. You know, I just made it as small as I could. And all I had to do, you know, whenever I did this was move the original hose right here. And there's a spot right here to put the factory clip on the electric fence. So it was really easy, and it doesn't really affect anything. It kind of felt like it wasn't gonna fit when I first started, but, you know, it was super easy right there. And I'll go ahead and turn on the truck to see if you guys can hear it, but it might be a little loud because the truck is cammed. It's got a BTR stage 3 cam. So I'll see if I can get a decent sound clip on it, even though, you know, because the truck is cammed. But let me try it out. Alright, so there it is. I'm not sure if you can hear it because it's kind of loud. But I'll go ahead and see if I can rev it up if you can hear it. Like I said, it's cam, so I'm not sure if you could hear it that well, but, you know, it does suck a lot of air. It sounds pretty good, but I also did like the sound out of the Edelbrocks. But, you know, these are fine, and, you know, they fit with no problems. So if you're thinking of doing something like this, you know, it's not a bad upgrade, and it actually kind of saves you a lot of space in this area. That's why I also did it, because, you know, I had the tub before right here, and I need to retub it again. But that's why all this is all condensed, because the truck is bagged. But you guys let me know what you think down below in the comments on this. The build on this is a good quality. You know, it's all aluminum. It's not the plastic. It's held up, so I like it, and it still looks real good, and it works good. So yeah, I would recommend it. So I'm actually very happy with this setup right here, and I would actually do this on my Tahoe right now. You know, whenever I get to organizing everything, I might do something like this because I actually do like this right here, and it's not a bad setup or hard to do. You know, it's something simple and not too expensive as well. So I just have to put on my electric fans just how I have here in the Silverado. And as you can see right here also, I do have this right here because this was a custom wiring I did to control the fans. So it was like a solenoid right here. It was like a different type of setup, like a starter solenoid or something, you know, it's different. And then this is my temp gauge sensor right here. But whenever I do it on the Tahoe, it'll be a little bit different. So I'll probably still use this so that way I can get away without doing it with a tune. But I'm gonna get rid of this right here, and I'm gonna be trying to do it from the factory. So with the fuse box and all its wiring right there, and I'll show you guys that whenever I get to doing that wiring right there. But like I said, most likely I'll just keep using this right here because these work out real good, and you can adjust them without a tune. So that's good right there, and it's not too expensive as well. And if I didn't answer your questions, just let me know down below in the comments. I'll try to answer them back, you know, as soon as I can. And also, if you guys want to see any other quick updates, just let me know down below in the comments. And if you do like this content, don't forget to hit that like button down below, subscribe, comment, you know, that way I can keep making more videos and pushing them out quick like this. And if you guys like to keep up with the builds and all the custom upgrades, don't forget to have your bill notifications turned on. That way, whenever I drop a new video, you guys get notified. And that'll be it for this video, guys. And I'll see you guys in the next one. We're gone.
Watch what you say when you mention my name. I don't like fame, but they know who I am. We are not the same, people like a train, catch yourself the brain.